Being able to process and understand days and weeks is a critical concept in time. Actually, time as a concept is always focused on at this level for students in mathematics. They move from understanding the concept of hours, minutes, and seconds to understanding days and weeks. It is very important for students to understand that 7 days make 1 week. They need to be able to convert from days to weeks and also from week to days. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is the Learning Academy, and today our focus is days and weeks. Now, this concept is important for all levels of students. What is a day? A day is 24 hours. It exists from one midnight to another. A day is also considered to be a part of a week. Now, for a day which is considered to be 24 hours, it is very important for students to understand the concept of what a day is. A day is also considered to be approximately the period of time during which the Earth completes one rotation around its axis, from one midnight to another. Basically, with the day, you will see the sun, and then you will close off by seeing the moon. Now, this concept, while astronomical, is also a very good definition. Now, there are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Each day is displayed in a week and is represented on a calendar. And each day plays a very important role in time, while each day also contains 24 hours. Now, a week is a period of 7 days. It is a period that starts on midnight Saturday and ends at midnight on Saturday as well. So the concept of a week is 7 days. That is very important, and this concept must be understood by students in order for them to proceed to converting from week to days or from days to week. A period of 28 to 31 days is considered to be a month. Some months have 28 days, like February. Other months, like June and September, have 30 days. Months like January and May have 31 days. 4 weeks is considered to be a calendar month. There are 12 named periods within the year that are considered as months. These are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, these months are represented on the calendar. A year is 365 days, or 366 days within a specific leap year. A year is the time taken by the Earth to make one revolution around the sun. This is basically from the period starting January 1, ending December 31st. That is a complete year. Days and weeks. 60 seconds equal 1 minute. 60 minutes equal 1 hour. 24 hours equal 1 day. 7 days equal 1 week. 4 weeks equal 1 month. 28 to 31 days equal a month as well. These are very important and should be kept in mind at all times. 12 months equal 1 year. 52 weeks equal 1 year. 365 days equal 1 year. 366 days equal 1 leap year. 10 years equal 1 decade, and 100 years equates to 1 century. This is also very important for worded questions or just basic general knowledge. Doing conversion of number of days equating to number of weeks. As displayed on the screen, we will see where 7 days equals 1 week, 14 days equal 2 weeks, 28 days equal 4 weeks, 42 days equal 6 weeks, 49 days equal 7 weeks. How do we arrive at this conversion? If we have 7 days, how do we know how many weeks it represents? Well, we know that 7 days equal 1 week. So first, what we would do is divide 7 days by 7, which gives us 1. If it was 14, we would divide 14 days by 7, and that would be 2. Now we must ask ourselves, how many equal groups of 7 exist in 14? And your answer will be 2. So basically, 7 days equal 1 week, and 14 days equal 2 weeks. We group them. We also have to remember our multiplication and our division skill sets at this time in order to properly understand and process these conversions. However, you can do your simple additions and subtraction to also arrive at these answers. Now, in order to convert from days to weeks, you could also look at 21 days equal how many weeks. You would have to divide 21 days by 7 to get how many weeks it represents. In this case, you know you have to divide 21 days into equal amounts of 7. Then we would basically represent that as 3 groups of 7. Therefore, we end up with 3 weeks existing in the total of 21 days. Now, we would have used multiple addition, or basically groups of equal numbers, or we basically would have used the multiplication table, or we would have divided 21 into groups of equal 7 pieces. So we get 3 weeks for that. Now, converting from days to weeks and days, or weeks to weeks and days. Basically, you have 10 days. That would equate to 1 week and 3 days. We have 16 days. That would equate to 2 weeks and 2 days. We have 24 days. That equates to 3 weeks and 3 days. There is 30 days, and you will see the answer as it progresses. Now, in converting from week to days, the good thing about this is you do your multiplication. So when we ask 2 weeks equates to how many days, then basically you understand that you multiply your 2 by 7 days, because you know that there are 7 days in each week, which is very good, because if we understand that concept, then makes our multiplication or addition easier. So in 2 weeks, there are 14 days. In order to get that, we multiply 2 by 7, or we do an addition of 2 groups of 7, which equates to 14 days. This is very clear to see, as we have separated the 2 weeks into 2 groups of 7, which are equal. So converting weeks to days. 1 week equates to 7 days. 2 weeks equates to 14 days, 4 weeks equate to 28 days, and 6 weeks equate to 42 days. 7 weeks and 1 day basically equate to 50 days. Now, these are also very important concepts because they will arrive in word problems. Now, like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is a very important concept, and please focus on doing your necessary practices as everything will go smoothly and according to plan. Remember that math is fun.